this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're downstairs in the family room, game room area at the Red Elk Lodge, doing a quick video tutorial on television down here. So we have a LG television that's enabled with a Dish network. Now, the only thing that you can watch is the cable down here, so there's no DVD or smart television capability on this thing. So you turn on the television using that top left button, and then the channels as you normally would go through, and just using channel switching, using the channel changer on the right hand side. If you need to go to the guide, you can push the guide, then you've got all the access to everything that you need to know. So if you have any further questions on using the television down here in this room, you can reach out to us in the office. The office number at DoneRight Management is 208-634-0030. And I hope you're having a great time while you're here. Enjoy yourselves.